English in the kitchen. Understanding, bake some cookies. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common and delightful phrase in English. Bake some cookies. This phrase is not only about cooking but also holds cultural significance. Let's break it down together and understand every bit of it. Bake some cookies might seem straightforward, but there's more to it. First, let's dissect the phrase. Bake. This is a cooking method involving prolonged heat by an oven. Baking is a popular cooking technique for many foods, especially pastries and bread. A vague quantifier. It doesn't specify the exact number, indicating a flexible amount. Cookies. A sweet, baked dessert, often round, flat, and crispy or chewy. Cookies come in various flavors and are a popular treat in many cultures, especially in the United States and Europe. In many English-speaking countries, baking cookies is a common household activity. It's often associated with family bonding. Making cookies together is a popular family activity. Holidays. Cookies are a staple during festive seasons like Christmas. Comfort food. Cookies are often seen as a comforting snack. Understanding this context helps in grasping the phrase's emotional and cultural weight beyond its literal meaning. You can use bake some cookies in various scenarios. 1. Literal use. I'm going to bake some cookies this afternoon. 2. Metaphorical use. To suggest doing something comforting or enjoyable. For example, after such a hard week, let's bake some cookies and relax. 3. Invitation. As a way to invite someone for a casual, friendly gathering. Why don't you come over? We can bake some cookies together. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, bake some cookies, in all its flavors, literal, cultural, and conversational. Remember, language learning is not just about words but also about the culture and emotions behind them. Happy learning, and maybe try baking some cookies too.